According to Marvel, Black Bolt has undergone rigorous mental training to prevent himself from uttering a sound, even in his sleep, and he usually remains completely silent. At full strength, his voice generates a shockwave equivalent to a nuclear weapons, while a whisper can rock a battleship. I understand that he can train himself to remain completely silent, but can he train himself not to sneeze at all? According to my viewers, imagine if he sneezes. He'd be fine, but no one around him. Usually he just looks up.